So guys, I'm gonna show you how to replace this disposal. So basically I'm going to replace this with a newer one. I already took this one off, so I just need to pull it out like this. And before I do anything, I'm gonna have to clean all this because we had the plumber's putty right here. So I'm gonna put a new one just to make sure everything is nice and clean. So make sure you clean up all this nicely. This prevents any leakages when you install, and be very careful because this is very sharp. You can cut through your fingers. So basically I'm going to replace this, and I'm going to show you what to do. So what you do is, first of all, just open this up and basically insert this in there. So just basically unscrew this, let it loose, and looking, we have the ring right here. Pop this ring off. So the ring comes off, and then you can now remove this. Set it aside for installation. You can basically leave this one on here, or you can take it off and basically use the plumber's putty, which is this here. This one comes in ready, so you just need to cut to what size you want to use. So let me show you. So this is the plumber's putty. I don't think I need that much. I just want to make use of the circle. If you want, you can try to make a shark like this, but it doesn't matter. You can always cut it off, the extras. So I basically cut it off with scissors. Set this aside for next time. So basically align the putty around in a circle like this. Put your plumber's putty all around and remove the extras that you don't need. And then bring this up and put it in. Push it in carefully. And make sure it sits well in there. So that's good. And then go ahead and put this down below, and the ring. You can now see it's protruding right here, nice and good. So next thing is now to fit in the other components. So now you start by putting this one in, and then follow up with this, and put your ring around it, and then you secure it. Make sure you open this one a little bit more, just to make sure that you have more space to play around with. All this, they are so nice and loose. So make sure you put the ring inside, nice and good, and then tighten these bolts here. You can use this to tighten. You can tighten with your finger first. Good. Tighten all the way. Make sure that it's very tight enough to prevent any leak. three must be equally tight. All right. So once you have all that, make sure you cut off the putty, the extra putty all around. With any sharp object, carefully. So that way, no water can leak through here. That's good, ready for installation. Next, now we install our disposer motor. It's ready to be installed. It's gonna go this way, but just before you do that, you can see inside there, this is the connector to the dishwasher. Make sure you pop that the enclosing inside there, so that the dishwasher can also dispose its contents through here. So just get something to push through it. Find something to push it through. You can actually hammer it. I don't have a hammer right now, but I can try to use this. And it just pops and falls in. You can reach there and get it. Push your hand in there and you fetch it from there. Once it falls. So this is how it looks like. It blocks, basically, if you don't have a dishwasher, this is always there to prevent any motor from disposing water off. Now the next thing is to put it in against here. So in this green bag I have all the tools that I need. I have this connecting tube right here, which I might not use. I have this wrench here, and this one will go on connect right here, from here to here. Now put it in. So use this tool here to push it in. And then this one can adjust itself so that you align it. For the dishwasher one, which is gonna connect to here, it's ready to be connected, and I can connect it right now. So I need this ring here. I need this to put it in and connect right here. For the dishwasher, then of course tighten it up using this. So the dishwasher connector is ready to work. Now the next thing is to connect the disposer directly to the main. I bought a replacement because this one has been a while. I'm gonna use a new one right here. So to install this, we basically push this rubber in here like this. Push it all the way, and then push in this, and then it's gonna be ready to be used. So this one is gonna go here like this. Tighten this nicely, and then connect this other one, the dishwasher. So this rubber right here basically goes in right here. Goes in right here. And then just push this inside it. Then tighten it. So tighten this one up. The other side. Tighten up. And then you connect to the main. Basically that way. You may want to have a wrench, adjustable wrench, but this is good enough. So just make sure everything is tight all over the place, so no leaks. Yep, everything is good. So my installation is done. Thank you for watching. Oh, and by the way, so you have your cable right here, so don't forget to hook it up to test it first. Just make sure everything is working. So don't forget to test it, just to make sure everything is working. Turn on the water and test it. Yeah, it's working. Just make sure there are no leaks at all. So you just check to see if there's any leakage. So everything looks tight right there. No leaks at all. No leaks, so that's good. But before we had some leaks, that's why you can see this here like this, wet. So I discovered this a little bit late, but it's all good. So we are done. Thank you for watching.